Welcome to Chris T's Kitchen. Today we are making egg fried rice. You will need 2 spring onions, 2 eggs, 2 teaspoons of sesame oil, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, 90 grams of long grain rice, couple large splashes of sunflower oil, and salt and pepper. Cooking method. Rinse 90 grams of long grain rice. Add the rice to a boiling medium saucepan with water and salt and follow the packets. Crack 2 eggs into a bowl. And whisk. When the rice is cooked, drain. With 2 spring onions, trim the tops and roots off and peel. Then slice them at an angle. In a frying pan, heat a large splash of sunflower oil. Add the eggs to the pan. Scramble the eggs for 1 to 2 minutes. Add the cooked rice and cook for 1 to 2 minutes. Make a trench in the middle of the rice. And add a splash of sunflower oil. Add the spring onions and fry for 1 minute. Combine everything in the pan. Add 2 teaspoons of sesame oil and 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. Then stir. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Then plate up in a pasta bowl. My egg fried rice.